Bosti have take the ball. You see, he's going. He's going. He's going. Let's go, bro. You see the ball? Scores now is 3-2. The Barefoot squad is leading. Yeah. For real. This my nigga, he scored one, but they are going to buy him like 14 million naira because he's a good player. Understand? 14 million. As Bostik take the ball, he pass it. Bostik, you want to score? So they take the ball from him, he pass it to Mr. Gbefu. So Mr. Gbefu now, he's Jimbo number 2. He pass it to Omaru Atika. Omaru Atika pass it to Ebo. So then Ebo is going to the net. Okay, he pass it to Gbefu. Gbefu spoiled the ball. You see? He passed it to my guy now. This man is a very bad shooter. But I guess he will score the opponent, you see? But the goalkeeper was so good. He was trying to defend the goal so that the ball won't enter inside the goal. But Mostik is a bad shooter. I know how he will play there. He passed it to Omaru Atika. Omaru Atika is trying to do something. You see? Omaru Atika, yeah, he put it on the net. Yeah, that's Bombo Kla. That's Bombo Kla. Then Ebo take the ball now. Ebo is going. Okay, he played the ball. Ebo played the ball inside. Yeah. As you can see, that guy have picked the ball now. He's going with the Z. He have the Z. He have the vision. And you can score the ball. He want to score the ball. You see. He passes it to Mostik. Then Mostik wants to score the ball. Mostik is going. He passes it to Rasta. Rasta tried to put the ball, but he could not. You see? Yeah. That's it. I cleared the road. Those are the real player in the building, in the J's, in the whole, like chicken the band, like AKA the cities, no pity go to no one. Nobody other in the city, everybody's trying to ball. In the small hand touch it, the loud hand touch it. I be the loud day, I be the son of the soil. You know what I mean? When you boggle, rage coming out and building on, trying to play the football to make a more fame, more money in the game. No, Rolando, it start like this one day, but today, I'm the upstairs in the building, like me say, like JJ Okocha, shout out to Didi or Drogba, shout out to the nigga, shout out to my nigga Omaru Atika building, play real go shit. You see I mean, yo, didn't say the bullshit. You know what I mean? When the band nigga, this is my real nigga, he got score one goal. This is my coach, man. This is a good play, man. Yeah, these are world best. AK Rasta is in the building, you know. He does so many things right there. You understand? So, yeah, I'm just trying to do some 1 or 2 things. You know, try to forecast the weather. But the weather is so clear. You understand? Today we have a very good match. Like Piro, AKA, and Omaru playing now. These are the Piro squad. Piro squad is trying to lie down and see what is going on in the building. So look at the fans that came to watch football today. Like everywhere is gigging the building. They say like him and nigga and the hell upon it and the boggle building. You know what I mean? You know what we do? Yeah. In the hole, you know what I mean? So they're about to start the match. So those are the Kakos men. Understand? Yeah, man, those guys, they just come out for the first half. Now this is the second half. They are trying to see what is going on. Understand? See, I trip for this goal, but I've not seen it. But I know goal is right here. But I don't know how we're going to score the goal. I don't know if it's Didi Mostik or Omaru Atika, aka Piro in the building, or 07, you know what I mean? Like those guys, they play real ball, they play real shit, they play real though. Like rig before in the building, you know what I mean? Like a rig, chilling in the hood. aka Big Ale, Fetch Ale, and they get Ale. See, play the ball inside. That guy's trying to defend the ball. Say, give it to Mostek. Now, they want to score the goal.